The stock markets might be closed today, but we have cryptocurrencies to watch all day every day. I've reviewed which altcoins have been outperforming over the past week and month, and I'm going to give you new ideas for projects that you might want to add to your portfolio. I will also go over a few crypto that are plummeting and what you should do with them and how they might compare to the skyrocketing Metaverse Gaming Crypto that won't stop. I'm going to go over 5 Metaverse Gaming Crypto, and they are the best altcoins to buy right now. Everybody always starts with Bitcoin as their main go-to project to analyze and try to see where it's going to be able to tell where the affected altcoins are going to be going that day. Which almost all of crypto is affected by Bitcoin's movements. It has the power to bring the entire crypto world down in a day. But, I don't think it could do it in the long term. It cannot take out the metaverse. Something would replace and duplicate or override it. Although most believe that other Metaverse crypto gaming projects will overtake Bitcoin in the next year or two. One of the projects that is anticipated as the most likely to overtake Bitcoin is Ethereum. Especially when the F2.0 is integrated. Which is going to happen in the next 6 months. Another project to look at now and for business is Hedera. Hedera is more beneficial to business. Most investors are likely to be unaware of the world's No. 35 biggest cryptocurrency, since it does not get the same praise and attention as Ethereum or the widespread popularity of pubcoins. Hedera, on the other hand, has a hidden weapon, the institutional support of 24 major businesses. An alliance of firms, including Google, IBM, and Nomura Bank, owns and governs the bar financial institution. The explanation for this is straightforward. Whenever a business wants to use blockchain technology, whether to secure data, financial transactions, or anything else, they must use a cryptocurrency that has been specially designed to be both widely used and capable of encrypting large amounts of information. This cryptocurrency is known as a cryptocurrency blockchain. Hedera comes into play in this situation. HBA is a database that was specifically created with corporate usage in mind. It offers the capability to store data and handle records. Take it as a foregone conclusion that Hedera will outperform Ethereum in the corporate world. Keeping this in mind, PAR has the capability of storing data and managing record keeping. Take it as a foregone conclusion that Hedera will outperform Ethereum in the corporate world. Here is an even more efficient project, Solana. Ethereum has long struggled with efficiency issues. Blocks take 13 to 15 minutes to clear, and the average transaction price has already risen to more above $50 per transaction. Regarding everyday transactions, ETH has become useless in terms of use and reliability. That is one of the reasons why the upstart Solana has done so well. In spite of the fact that the cryptocurrency will be able to process 50,000 transactions per second and have a 4-second block time, it will still be more than 3 times quicker than Ethereum's 2.0 release in 2022. Several other trailblazers have previously proved the advantages of maximizing productivity. In the tokenized smart chain market, Binance Coin is positioning to beat Ethereum after leading for a long time. In addition, because of its cheap transaction fees, the stablecoin Tether has 3 times the trading volume of Bitcoin. Now it's Solana's chance to take over Ethereum's top spot. And in a world where momentum is important, it may be worthwhile to include a modest bit of Sol in any cryptocurrency portfolio. Fifth coin we are taking a look at is Internet Computer. Internet Computer is a far advanced Metaverse crypto gaming project. Internet Computer has proven to be one of the highly favored crypto companies. But, following its failure to deliver on its promise of blockchain-powered cloud computing, the cryptocurrency has lost 32% in value since September. The development, on the other hand, continues to progress. Last Monday, engineers at Finity attained a speed of 25 blocks per second, which is 100 times faster than the previous record holder, Solana. Furthermore, the team seems to be on track to produce Bitcoin smart contracts by the end of this year. Making progress toward the ultimate objective of constructing a cloud computer that can be used for anything will take longer than expected. This is a challenge that will take time to tackle since it involves working with encrypted data across numerous nodes. However, at $46, ICP is a value bet that has a good chance of beating Ethereum due to its low pricing in comparison to its degree of innovation. Now that we've looked at several crypto plays, it's time to move on to the Metaverse Gaming Crypto that we all love and is the only thing that is still going strong in the entire crypto world and even the regular stock market. Everything else is on a downward spiral, except for Metaverse Gaming Crypto. 1. Elluvium. Elluvium will be a fully fledged open world, action-adventure RPG with a strong emphasis on exploration. 1. The game received widespread publicity when it was announced this year, and the token's value increased from $50 to $1,700 in a period of less than half a year. 1. According to my estimation, this is one of the finest performances in the cryptocurrency gaming sector. 1. During the second quarter of 2022, players will be able to get on the train to Elluvium and begin their journey. Elluvium has all of the necessary ingredients to become one of the most popular 2022-era games available on the blockchain in the near future. The 3D graphics that are now accessible are excellent, and the makers have promised a future world with lots of exploring opportunities. To be on the safe side, it's best to hold off until its release before drawing any final judgments. You can go to Elluvium.io. 2. Shroom Kingdom, modeled after the Super Mario Bros. Series. The game is regarded as one of the most iconic in the history of the video game industry as a whole. Super Mario Maker is the next evolution of the brand, which began in recent years. It is possible to not only play, but also to develop and share your own levels with the whole community in this version of the Mario series. It was just a matter of time until a platforming game was released on the blockchain, as a result. Shroom Kingdom, on the other hand, provides players with the option of transferring their generated levels from Super Mario Maker 2 on the Nintendo Switch to the blockchain platform, which is rather impressive. The Near blockchain is being used to construct the Shroom Kingdom. The fact that the game is not licensed by Nintendo means that you will not be able to play as your favorite characters, but the gameplay mechanics will be identical to the original game. The third Metaverse Gaming Crypto is My Neighbor Alice. My Neighbor Alice is the successor to Animal Crossing and Stardew Valley, but it is built on the blockchain. The game may seem to be a standard agricultural simulator, similar to Farmville, at first sight. Nonetheless, since this video game is a social simulation with a strong emphasis on player interaction, it is the ideal genre in which to construct a metaverse in which players may be linked by a shared purpose. My Neighbor Alice is a free-to-play game, yet in order to begin your trip, you'll need to acquire a piece of land, which is also an NFT. The second way to gain Alice tokens is to take part in a variety of events, contests, and tournaments that take place inside the game. Alice token was on the verge of breaking into the top 100 cryptocurrency rankings by total market capitalization once before. Because of this, it has a good possibility of rising significantly during the following year. The game's demo is currently accessible, and the full release is expected for next year, according to the developer. Number 4 is Solace. Solace is a cross-platform virtual reality metaverse on Solana, and it's the first one on Solana's blockchain. And as far as playing Solace, virtual reality allows users to explore the metaverse they have created and owned in an immersive manner. As a result of the inclusion of social, gaming, and cryptocurrency features, it will enable everyone to enjoy themselves while in the metaverse. Trading the Metaverse Crypto Game Solace. Solace is a marketplace where you can buy and sell assets. Unlike some other initiatives, the Solace market is a web-based exchange hub, but, unlike some others, we will be introducing the marketplace inside the Solace metaverse in addition to the Solace market. And you can earn on Solace, users who complete dungeons, mini-games, and quests, as well as those who collect admission fees for their own creations, may be awarded with tokens and other valuable goods. An innovative custom editor will be introduced by Solace, which will provide users with a straightforward means of creating, assembling, sharing, and developing 3D model assets and mini-games. And you can buy Solace now on Uniswap and go to solace.io to play now. That's all on our end today. I hope you've gotten a ton of value from this video, and make sure and smash the subscribe button and comment that you've